How do you feel about valuations? A lot of people, and we've been talking a lot about valuations, seem really high for equities.
So the market's gone up a long way, and that's making people nervous. But when people look at valuations, we think they're too concerned, actually. When we look at the valuations of most parts of the stock market today, we think they're reasonable. And importantly, when you think about what's the right value or the fair value for the stock market, you have to think about what's the economic environment we're in and what's the interest rate environment we're in. And actually, in an environment of sustained economic growth and low interest rates, relatively high valuations can be supported for some time. So actually, we're much less concerned about valuations than many others. Although what we would say is that there are parts of the market which do look more highly valued. So the US market looks more expensive than many international markets, for example. So whilst we think the US market can do well, actually we see more upside in some of the international markets today.
And within the U.S. market, you seeing opportunities there as well?
Yeah, we absolutely see opportunities within the U.S. market. And actually, the economic environment in the U.S. is very attractive. We see the Fed gradually raising interest rates going forward. And that's an environment which is very good news for technology stocks. It's also very good news for financial stocks, which do very well in an environment of gradually rising interest rates over time. So we prefer those two sectors. It's not so good for some sectors such as consumer staples, some of the more defensive bond proxies, which I think are going to struggle to keep up in a rising interest rate environment.